So Honor is doing a thing or two and making things interesting. So they got a new patent, recently filed for a new patent, and this is a patent where all four of the screens on this foldable device can bend. So it's a hinge, which is pretty much like a cross here, the hinge actually is, and each side can fold and bend at pretty much as you want it to. So it says the usage of foldable electronic devices is more flexible and richer, and it can enhance the competitiveness of the foldable electronic device. Yeah. Again, like I said, I know that's like weird what I'm saying here, but it is a very weird device, and hey, I'm all for it. I mean, again, I've never started off a video like, being a loss for words, but I kind of am a loss for words right now because it's a cool concept, it's a cool idea, and hopefully we get it. Hopefully they do come out with this, and hopefully we get something crazy, in the end here, because I love this. I love pushing the industry forward and, adding more crazy inventions, more crazy things. And hey, listen, if we're going to get to a point where all four sides of this foldable device goes ahead and folds, then that's awesome. Now, we don't know if this is a foldable phone. Keep in mind, this is just a patent for a device. This could be a foldable phone, but it's very possible that this isn't a foldable phone, and instead this ends up being something like a tablet, or maybe it's a laptop, right? Maybe it's something like that. Again, the idea is just being patented, but again, this could be, in theory, anything. So that's what's really cool about this is, again, this opens up pretty much the idea of anything happening. But hopefully we see something like this. Because again, that tri-foldable phone recently released by Huawei, apparently that's not the only company that's going to be releasing a foldable, tri-foldable phone. Other companies are going to join the market too and try to get, stake in that. And I can't wait, because I can't wait to see what people come up with. I mean, again, these foldable phone company manufacturers, they get crazy with these ideas, and I'm all for it because I love technology. I love seeing stuff like this. It's amazing, and again, it pushes the industry forward in every way possible, which I am all for and all supportive of. So hopefully we get more information and more stuff in the future. I want to see a concept of this, though. I really do want to see a concept. I want to see what this gets utilized in. Again, I can only imagine an actual foldable cell phone. Probably not. This probably won't be a foldable cell phone. This might be a tablet or a display or something like that. It just doesn't make sense as an actual cell phone. Like one you carry on yourself at all times. Maybe a tablet type of concept. But yeah, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.